Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will guide you through the setup and use of the LightSync MIDI project so you can bring this amazing light show to your own MIDI keyboard. We will cover everything from the hardware requirements to the software setup and show you a light demo of the project in action. Let's get into the video. Before getting started into this video, we have to see the hardware requirements of this project. First, we need a microcontroller. For this video, I am using ESP32. I will also provide the Arduino code for this project in my github repository. I have given the link in the description. And then we need a compatible ARGB LED strip and an electronic keyboard supports MIDI output. In the GitHub repository, you can see the latest release of my project and download the LightSync MIDI zip version 1.0. After downloading the zip file, you have to save it in the folder which you prefer. After downloading it, you have to extract the folder, and in that folder you can see all of my project files. You will see an Python application and an ESP32 code and an Arduino code in that folder. You can flash that Arduino code into the ESP32 by an IDE called Arduino IDE. You have to download and install it in your PC to flash the code into the ESP32. After installing the Arduino IDE, you have to open and click the file option on the left corner and open files and open the ESP32 code we have saved earlier. After opening the code, you have to download the library called Fast LED library. You can search that in the library section and install the library files. Now you have to connect your ESP32 or Arduino board to your PC. After connecting it, you can see the COM port it is connected to your PC. In my case, it is connected to the COM5 and I am selecting the COM5 in my IDE. After selecting it, click upload. It will start to compile the code. The compilation might take some time. While it's compiling and start to uploading, you have to press and hold the boot key on your ESP32. If you miss this step, the code will show error and it will not flash successfully. Now we have successfully flashed the code into the ESP32. We can proceed to the next step. To open the Python application, you need to install the Python into your PC. You can download it from the Python official website. After installing the Python in your PC, you have to open the Python script which I provided in the zip file. You can simply double click to open the Python script, or you can copy and paste the code into the VS Code or any other IDE you prefer. After installing the code into the ESP32, you have to place your ARGB LED strip in this keyboard like this. You can easily place it in the gap between the keys on the front panel. For the ESP32, the data pin is pin number 13. For Arduino, it's pin number 6. After connecting the wiring diagram, you have to connect your ESP32 to the PC. After connecting it, you can see the blue glow, which indicates the power on LED. After connecting it, you have to open the Python file, which I extracted earlier. And you also connect your MIDI keyboard to the laptop also. After, if the connection is not showed in the port, you have to click the refresh port to get the required MIDI USB. After selecting the ports, you can click the start. After clicking the start, you can see the light is blinking, which indicates the successful link between the Python program and ESP32. Now, what are the note you play in this keyboard when the light will blink? You can see here the light is not correctly mapped to the LED strip. It is one octave further. So we have to decrease this octave shift. Now you can see here it is also little bit one LED shifted by left. Now you can use the transpose function to shift the LED to right. You can see here now it's perfectly aligned with the keys. You can also change color by clicking the select color, and you can open the color control panel. Now you can see that the color in the LED has been changed. You can also control the brightness of the LED. That's all the whole project.